round. On a busy road.
Put it in a cupboard, right? And honestly,
There's
and it was on since on. It's alright, yeah. I don't know why he's looking at
there we are. The new lid. I won't have to get too close because of the people on trucks over there. Beyond the hive, just can go round a bit. But it's it looks like up there. Nothing much happening goes through there. So it's anyone. Let's says, do we want to walk around a little bit further around here? It's a new little see what's there. Yeah. How do you find it from the outside? How do you find it? If you don't want to come into where the camera's pointing, you can go around the back of me if you don't want to be on the camera. It's just, yeah. So there is that's what it looks like. This is gonna this is a bit that's gonna
Home point updated. Takeoff. Home point updated.
Hello, fine, thanks, yeah.
What?
I'm fine, thanks, I say.
Are Are you not supposed to be fly the drawings over the site?
Have you got flight ID?
I got flyer and operator ID.
Have you got operator ID?
Pardon?
Have you got operator ID?
I haven't got photo ID on me, no.
No, operator ID for the
Operator, yeah, it's on the drone.
drone. Yeah, can we see it?
Yeah, I can show you it, yeah.
Yes, please.
So let me bring the drone back down.
Don't land it on their head.
I'll just point the camera down and I'll be able to find where.
So what is video?
Sorry?
And the reason you do this?
He's autistic.
What's what?
He's autistic.
Right, it's not supposed to be doing the videos on the properties, like, you know, it's not live.
There's no rule saying you can. We talk about some public property.
Yeah, but we do the video on our site.
We can take off from the site though. We talk about some public
Yeah,
property.
but then, can we see the video?
Landing.
Yeah, but it's flying it over us, which is not seen.
We did land it on the
So let
road.
me
Can we
explain
see
to
the
you.
video?
No, hang on a minute. I'm going to stop you right there. He's got everything he needs to operate it.
Yeah.
I don't appreciate all of you coming out. He's one person.
Yeah.
He's autistic.
Yes.
He's doing everything he's got to do rightly. He's off from public property. He doesn't go right over your heads, so it's not dangerous.
But
He's staying within the limits that he's meant to. And he does this because with his autism, he likes to look at buildings that are going up. If you come out and talk to him nicely, like this gentleman was,
yeah.
That's the operator ID.
give
Yeah.
him credit for, he was, he'll respond in tone. You come out with an attitude which I do not appreciate. That's why I've given you back.
I don't have an attitude.
Yes, you do.
Like to take any videos and the
Then
pictures
come back and ask
on
him.
our job. That's
I'll
all
talk
it is.
with him, but I'm not talking with you. I'll talk with you because you've actually got an actual.
Right, make sure you don't do it again.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
call police for that, you know.
Carry on, you can talk to him. He'll
Yeah, so
listen to
all
you.
we need is operator ID. And
Jordan, you can show him exactly what you need.
flying a drone is got to stay 50 meters.
Nice, take a
You
photo
can
of
talk
this.
to him. He'll
Give me
answer.
the call ID.
Pardon?
Can I take a picture of your ID?
No, you can't, I'm sorry.
Why not?
It's got my address on it and everything.
You have to report this because you're not allowed to take any video and the pictures on the site. You have to report
because
this.
it's a private property.
Yeah.
You are not allowed to take any video for now. You might come when the store is open to public and all that because there is still
No,
a
that's
contractor
before you do it,
working on
yeah.
the site. It's not allowed. We would appreciate you coming inside, speak to us.
Ask
that
before you do it.
You understand, so we can tell the guys on the site. It's down to us to manage the site, and the people on site have raised concern about this right now, saying they don't appreciate the drone flying over them and all that. And checking the rules of drone flying, we've got to stay 50 meters away.
This is under 250. Because are you aware that they changed it to under 900 grams and this one's under 250 and there's no minimum distance with a small drone?
250, but if it's under 250, you've got to stay at least 50 meters away from people not involved in your flight.
Yeah,
You
Jordan,
cannot
look at that.
fly
I've got blue
over
light
people
on.
who are not
Yeah, but
flying with
should we
you.
do it before we know what the rules.
Yes. You
That's
can
the point.
fly with people who are closer to you or who are
Down,
with you.
down
yeah.
under below 250, these drones
Yeah.
are classed as UK 0, UK 1.
Very light with safety features.
Not over crowds, but
Yeah.
can go over people, but not over crowds.
Yeah, so we've got crowds. We've got at least maybe 30 to 60 people on site in between. You understand, and they've raised concern and just thinking, why would somebody be videoing them while they're working on site? You should understand that because they've got their own private life to live. You've got yours and all that. You understand. So
right to film before, and he's got permission
No,
off
I
land
understand,
before,
but we have a.
but that people come out and have a go at him.
The-
when
we have
he's
a lot
like-
of
The only reason we just
Yeah, I
need
get
the
that.
Facebook
the
from little
ID
people.
is just to be sure if we see
no
that.
reason, you know.
Yeah.
And then, if something's
Yeah, no, he
coming.
doesn't do that. It's
Yeah,
his
no,
own
that's fine. That's what we
personal
check it,
use.
you
Yeah,
know.
no, he wouldn't
Yeah.
do that.
But
no,
next
it's
time,
his own
if
personal
we want to
use.
do proper videos, you know, come on the
Just
site.
come on the
Basically,
site.
Okay.
Jordan, what
to
they're
us,
saying is
you
you need to
understand?
ask
Yeah.
first.
Yeah. And then it's the side office there, his numbers
Just
there.
come to the office,
Yeah.
phone
Right.
us that you like to take some video and all that. It's fine. Then we speak to the guys on site. Okay,
No,
we've got
it's fine,
some.
you know, all I'm saying is,
The way you
because oh, but you know, if you know next time, just call the gate, you know, send one of them to come and speak.
free
Even
to come
take
in.
him on the side.
Ah.
No problem,
Understand,
you know.
yeah.
But just like, you know, because a lot of people used to be taken before and,
Oh,
you
yes,
know.
yeah, no, I get that. No, he's
Yeah,
just
yeah.
no.
No, that's okay, that's fine. Alright, thanks
Okay,
so much.
thank you so much.
Okay.
Right. Can we go back to the car? I'm froze.
We can go up to the car. I'll carry this to the car, and
Yeah, I'm not carrying it.
I'll carry it like I am
Put it
until
back in your bag.
I will do, but just I'll sort it out when I get to the car, because
Don't
so
forget you've got that on still.
yeah, I know. I'm gonna end the recording here.